In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Runway ML credits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your current balance, so you can plan your projects with confidence and avoid unexpected interruptions. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Runway ML web app at app.runwayml.com. Sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your projects, since credit balances are tied to the account you're logged into. If you're already signed in, you should land on your Runway dashboard. Once your dashboard is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be a small avatar, your initials, or a user image. Click that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your quick access point for account-related settings and is the fastest route to billing and plan details. In the drop-down, select Manage Your Plan. This option takes you directly to your subscription and billing area, where Runway centralizes everything related to your plan. If your interface looks slightly different due to updates, choose the option that clearly mentions plan or billing to reach the same place. You'll now be on the Plans and Billing page. This page contains all the key information about your current subscription. To find your credit balance, scroll down until you see the section labeled Credits. Your available credits will be displayed there, typically as a simple number or as remaining credits out of your total for the current billing period. This is the figure you'll want to keep an eye on, especially if you're planning larger generations, longer exports, or multiple iterations in a short time frame. If the number seems outdated, give the page a moment to load fully, or refresh your browser to ensure you're seeing the most recent balance. Keep in mind that credits often refresh on a schedule tied to your plan, so the amount you see reflects what's available for the current cycle. If you work across different browsers or devices, your balance is the same across them, as it's stored with your account, not the device. That's all there is to it. Sign in at the web app, open your profile menu in the top right, choose Manage Your Plan, and on the Plans and Billing page, scroll down to view your credits under the Credits section. Knowing where this lives helps you budget your creative work, pace longer renders, and plan ahead so your projects stay on track.